welcome back to my channel and welcome to the largest new release, the largest new release video ever. Like seriously, you guys, there are so many things coming to the shop this week and I'm so excited. You can definitely tell that spring is here because I'm feeling so much better, and I just went on like a crazy design sort of thing this week and literally designed all of these this week. So I'm pretty pumped about it. We are going to get into it. Some things are changing and I'm going to talk about that as we get into it. But grab yourself like a cup of tea, cup of coffee, because I have a feeling this is going to be a little bit, you know, there's a lot going on. So first thing I want to talk about, I am bringing some add-ons to our collection. So this first one, let me zoom you guys in a little bit. The first one is this deco sheet. These won't be with every collection because some collections are photos or they're digital art that I didn't buy the clip art for, or like buy the clip art with it, or I just didn't have enough clip art to do a full deco sheet. So not every collection will have deco, but I'm going to try to incorporate more deco into my shop. I don't really like deco. I personally don't use it, but I know a lot of you guys really like it and have been requesting it, so I'm trying to bring it, but like I said, it won't be with every collection. But this is the one for Endless Summer, and I think it's, I mean, I do think it's cute. I don't use deco. The next thing that I'm bringing as an add-on are little things. I used to have these in my kits. I took them out and I really kind of missed them. I've started using them again in my planners, so I wanted to bring them to the shop. These are add-on things, which means that I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to bundle them in the full kit, because I'm planning on bringing premium matte to the shop as well, but premium matte is only going to be available in like a bundle. It's not going to be a la carte just because of how expensive premium matte can be. I don't really want to have a lot of stock that just sits there and doesn't sell. So premium matte will only be sold in bundles. So I think I'm going to have a bundle that has, sorry, I should probably show you the last add-on sheet, are these headers, because you guys know there's a couple headers in here, but I took most of them out. So I brought them back. Plus I figured, you know, sorry, I'm all over the place. So there are enough to-dos in here, so like this probably wouldn't be of any use, but if you wanted like these other ones, or if you didn't want this page but you wanted something else with headers, so that's kind of my reasoning behind that. Anyway, so there's headers, there's little things for every collection, and then on some of them they'll be in some deco. So I think I'm gonna have an option to bundle them together. I'm also gonna have an option for just the 6-page kit and then a la carte. So that's what I'm gonna do. And like I said, premium matte will just be bundles. It's not gonna be a la carte for right now. We're gonna see how this goes. But right now I don't have the premium matte, so it's not in my shop. That's coming later this month, hopefully. But yeah, so anyway, those are the add-on sheets. And then we have Endless Summer, which is a reformat from last year. And I love the colors, you guys. I feel like it's kind of getting washed out on camera. Let me turn this down just a tad. Hopefully that's better. It was really sunny and now it's starting to get cloudy. So anyway, it's just like this fun, like fruity kind of kit. But seriously, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. And as you guys know, these all come a la carte, so you can pick and choose the sheets you want. Then we have the PP Weeks sheet, and this is one of the changes that I'm making. I'm actually going to be discontinuing the PP Weeks after this release. So anything released after today will not have a matching PP Weeks sheet because they're just not selling. I don't know if you guys aren't using PP Weeks, or if you just don't have a need for boxes that are sized specifically for it. I try to mention this in every video, but because our kits come a la carte, the reasoning behind making this particular sheet was so that if you wanted, let's say you wanted this sheet and this sheet, it could like make your perfect PP Weeks kit, and I didn't have to make like a separate kit for that. So you know, that's kind of why I did that, but I just feel like it's not really selling well. So I also did a poll and most of you guys said just take it out, just you had no use for it. So that is gonna that is going to be a change that happens in the coming weeks. But this is the Endless Summer collection. All right, now we have the Pineapple collection, and it has just a little sheet of deco. There wasn't a lot of like clip art with this one, so I tried to make it something for you guys. But then you also have the Little Things label, and like I said, all these are add-on, and the headers. Then you have your full boxes, and this says, in a world full of apples, be a pineapple. You have your functional sheet, which didn't even cut. That is so funny. Like, these cut, but I don't know what happened to this. These did not cut, so, well, alrighty then. Then you have the half boxes, labels, and headers. You have your like bill dues, sidebar stuff, date covers, full box checklists, washi and glitter headers, and then of course the PP Weeks sheet, which like I said is going to be discontinued, which is kind of sad, but I'd rather be making stuff that you guys want and not like waste my time on stuff that's not going to sell. All right, we have the Summer Nights collection. It does not have any deco, but it does have the matching headers, matching Little Things. This one's all out of order. Apparently I did not put these in order. Oh, no, I just switched it. Okay. Wow, Rachel, get it together. So we have the Summer Nights kit. This is actually a reformat from last year. It's just kind of like a fun camping kit, I feel like. Then you have your, oh my goodness, icons and scripts, your half boxes, labels, headers, date covers, functional like sidebar stuff, your full box checklist. That's, I don't know, ombre heart checklist, that's what I'm trying to say. Wow. Then you have glitter headers and your washi for the bottom, and then your PP Weeks sheet. Next up, we have our watermelon kit, and this one had a couple pieces of clip art, but it was literally like, it was 2. So I was just like, instead of doing a little sheet just over and over and over again, I'm just gonna not have a deco sheet because I just feel like it wasn't necessary for this one. But it does have the matching headers, the Little Things. This says "You're one in a melon," which is so funny. I think it's so cute. You have your functional stuff, half boxes, headers. I don't know, should I keep telling you what's on each sheet? I feel like I just repeat myself over and over again. And then of course the PP Weeks sheet. And if you guys like actually want the PP Weeks sheets, and maybe, I don't know, maybe it just hasn't, either you didn't know about it or it's just not been the right time to buy, because I know everybody is, you know, dealing with taxes and whatnot, let me know, because it's not that I mind working on it, it does take time that away from other stuff that I could be making that everybody wants. So definitely let me know. Like, I'm not opposed to keeping it, but I felt like most people were telling me to just get rid of it. So yeah. This is a new collection and I'm so excited, you guys. This is called Beach Life, and it has the headers, the Little Things, and you guys, oh my gosh, like this makes me want to go to the beach right now. I love it. I had an ocean kit, but that had different photos, but I actually just changed this up this year and decided not to bring that one back and to switch things up. So that's what I did. And look at that bottom washi, it's so beautiful. You guys, I want to go to the beach. You guys, I think that this collection is my absolute favorite of these new releases. Look at the colors. Okay, so this is called Tropical Vibes. You have your headers, your Little Things, and these full boxes. So I kind of made this for myself because my family and I are going on a Hawaii cruise in May, and I figured this was like the perfect kit to use while we were in Hawaii. So I'm excited to take that with me and plan while I'm on my cruise and just kind of like document what we did. I think that would be a lot of fun. And I want to like take pictures and then put like pictures in my planner, you know, if that makes sense. Like pictures of my family and like us doing stuff, you know. I just think it's so pretty. I can't get over it. I'm obsessed. So that is definitely my favorite one of the new releases. Let me know which one is your favorite. All right, and then the last one is the Forever and Always kit. This was in my shop. This has been in my shop the past couple of years. It's just the perfect like wedding kit. So you have your headers and your little things, and then the full boxes. So this is perfect for an anniversary, for a wedding, if you're going to somebody's wedding. I just love this kit, you guys. I think I'm gonna have another wedding kit up soon that's gonna be like clip art and not photos. But this is our photo kit. There's like a scrap there. And I just love this. I use this every year for my anniversary. Love the colors. I love it. And I feel like I'm kind of going through this fast, but it's just because there's so many, because those were just like the full collections, but now we got to talk about the Hobo Weeks collections. Now, Hobo Weeks is another one. Let me zoom you guys out. Hobo Weeks is another one that I think I'm going to be discontinuing. I asked in my Facebook group and on Instagram, and a majority of people don't use their Hobo Weeks anymore. I know I don't use mine anymore, just because I never ordered another one, and even though I do like them, they are cute, I just didn't have like my planner piece with it. And Hobonichi kits just don't sell anymore. I think people have moved on to like PP Weeks or other planners. So after this one, unless like you guys really convince me in the comments, I'm probably going to discontinue these. But I did make them for this release, but from here on out, I probably won't make them unless you guys convince me in the comments. So if you still use the Hobonichi, let me know. If you still think that we should keep these kits, let me know. But I want to hear from you guys. If you don't tell me, then I'm just going to discontinue them. But if you like tell me that you do use them, then I will consider keeping them. So we have the Pineapple Hobonichi, which is literally the same as last year's. And then we have Endless Summer. I'm just kind of like going through these. I mean, they're literally in the same format as they have been for probably a year now. This one's like out of order though. What am I doing with my life here? So we have the watermelon one. Beach Life. Forever and Always. Of course, my favorite, Tropical Vibes. I love this weekend banner with the pineapple behind it. I love it, you guys. And then, of course, we have Summer Nights, which is all out of order again. So those are the Hobonichi kits. All right, guys, so those are all of our new releases that we have coming today. When you're watching this video on Friday, this will be the code where you can get 20% off all of these new releases. This code is only gonna discount the new releases, not everything on the site, but if it's in the new release section, it will be 20% off. Also, I wanted to mention I will be making the matching headers and little things for the collections that are already in the shop, but it might take me a couple weeks. So those will be added, but I probably won't put them in the new release section, but these are definitely in the new release section. I think I'm gonna keep them all in the same listing, so that way it's easy for you guys to find, but I might split them up, we'll see. But definitely everything will be in the new release section, so if you go to the site and you just click on new releases, you will be able to find everything. The PP Weeks sheet is in with the full collection, but it does say that in the title, so hopefully you guys can find it if you are interested in the PP Weeks sheet. But yeah, I think that is everything I needed to tell you guys. We covered the Hobonichi, we covered the print impression possibly going away, and yeah, and we also covered the discount. So, oh, also they're not going up on Etsy. I'm gonna have an announcement video about Etsy coming next week, I think, where I'm gonna talk about what I'm gonna be doing with my Etsy shop, because Etsy's changed a lot of things. I'm not gonna get into it in this video, but these are not on Etsy, and they probably will never actually go to Etsy because, like I said, I'm gonna have an update video for you guys. But that is it for this week's new releases. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite out of all the new collections. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification if you want to be part of our sticker family. Here on YouTube, I make a lot of sticker videos, but I also make a lot of other content, and I'd love for you guys to stick around. So hit that subscribe button and be part of our sticker family. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.